Hi, I'm Malcolm. I work for a company called Zero Maintenance Websites. What we do is we build websites that are very easy to use, and to help you with that we also add these little tutorials that show you how to do things on your own website. So today this is for Unicorn Language, and what we're looking at is not just how to associate articles but how to create a new menu item in more than one language, and then how to go on and create new articles for that. So if you look at the Unicorn website, this is the kind of home page of the database view, the back end. So we have to start and look at the menus here. Notice we are not going to multilingual associations. Multilingual associations show you how things are associated, but they don't allow you to create a new article. So click on the little Joomla icon at the top left, and that takes you to the home page of the database. So we're going to go down here to menus. So what we want to do is look at the English language menu, and we want to add a new article. At the moment we've got home, about us, our partners, contact us, so on. So I want to add a new item about our team. So this could be one person or everyone, so let's say our team. This is a new menu item, and it's going to show everything that's to do with the team. So the menu item type is going to show articles. Articles are just each individual item, and it's going to be a category blog, so it's going to be a list of all the articles, and we're going to create a new category called our team. So this is where you would put information about the three members of the team. So I'm going to save this. This is me saving the category at the moment. So that's a new category I've created, and I can close that. And now we're back to looking at the new menu item. Again, just glance at this page, up at the top in dark white on dark blue, menu, new item. So we're working on a new item. Oh, I've called it out team instead of our team. Okay, our team. So it's a category blog of our team. Now the other thing is, if I save this just now, let me just save this just now. This will appear. This is our current menu, home, about us, our partners. So when I refresh this, it will appear as a new menu. Our team, along at the right here. But I don't want that. I want a drop down menu within about us. So when I go back, at the moment the parent item is the root, so it's the highest level. I want it to be inside about us. So save and close that, and we now have a new article, our team, and notice how it's indented here within about us. So when I go back to the site, about us now has a drop down with our team. So when I go to our team, it's showing all the articles in this particular category, but there are no articles in this category. Now it's actually gone to the all languages page, which is the default, so I'm going to have to change that so that it goes to the correct page. Once you have done that in English, you can then actually create a similar one in Russian and then link the two. So again, what I would do is I would go to the menus, and this time I go to the Russian menu, and you want a new item here. So again, I can't speak Russian, so I'm just going to do our team brackets RUS, so this would be in Russian, RUS, and again I'm going to do exactly the same. It's going to be articles, a category blog, and we're going to create a new category. So this new category would be our team. I know it's the same name as the menu, but that's okay. This is a category we're dealing with now. And I think the mistake I made before was I didn't specify the language. So this is going to be a Russian language category. So the category is how it knows which menu to go in. So, and again, I don't want it to appear at the menu item root. I want it to appear inside the About Us in the Russian menus. Notice the language here, the language here should be Russian. Okay, so now I've created a new menu item for the Russian ones, and I can save and close that, and that should be there. So if I now, and I've got to tidy up the other one and make sure it's in English, so actually let's just go back and do that. So in English, let's go to the English menu and tidy that up. So the new article, the new menu item I created was called Our Team. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to say, no, it's in English. And I'm going to save and close that. Yeah, I'll have to do that from here. And then we can go back to the categories. This is actually quite useful because it shows you what happens if you make a mistake. There are all these categories here, and one of the categories I've now created is Our Team. So let's search for Our. And here it is, Our Team in English and in Russian. Click on the Our Team in English and actually tell it is English because I hadn't told it that. So the categories are where you store your articles. If you look at the two at the bottom here, Our Team and Our Team Russian, I've got one in English and one in Russian, but they are not associated with each other. So if I go to the page and look at, if I go to English language and go to the home page, so now if I go to About Us and Our Team, there are no articles in this category. If I switch to Russian, it won't know where to go because I've not associated the two. So it's just gone back to the home page. If I now go to Our Team in Russian, it is there. But again, if I switch to English, it doesn't know where to go. So I've created one in English, I've created one in Russian. What I now need to do is associate the two. So this is when I go to multilingual associations, and I want to look at menu items this time, looking at English. So if I scroll down here, Our Team, here's the new one for Our Team. And what I need to do is select Russian and then select the correct menu item. So now I'm selecting the target item. So here we go, Our Team Russian. So I'm now matching these two up. I'm saving the target and I'm closing that. So what I now have is an English item, a Russian item, and a link between the two.